Hi, I'm Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Yakima BaseLine JetStream roof rack system for the 2016 through 2022 and possibly beyond Chevrolet Malibu with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the BaseLine towers, set of 4, and the JetStream load bars, set of 2, offered in silver or black, and 2 sets of 2 of the BaseLine pad and clip set. And I'll go over all these components in detail, starting with the JetStream load bars. This one we've cut down so that you can see the extruded aluminum box beam construction. The shape is designed to minimize wind noise and wind drag. There is a track that runs along the top of the bar so that you can attach certain approved carriers directly to the top for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. On the underside of the bar is another track, which is where the tower is attached. And alongside the track are numbers, and those numbers are referenced in the instruction sheet that comes with this system, and that will guide you in the correct positioning of the tower on the bar. So the tower itself has multiple adjustments in order to provide a very custom fit to the vehicle. Those adjustments are accessed underneath the cover. So let's remove that cover. And first we'll look at what's behind this panel. So you open that panel and it allows access to the fastener which holds the tower to the bar. That fastener also allows for the pitch adjustment, which means the bar can be adjusted so that it compensates for curves in the roof line. On the underside, there's also an additional fastener which allows for the adjustment of the pad and clip assembly. And so to tighten and loosen these adjustments, you have this tool. Currently this one is tight, so I'll loosen that up so you can see how it allows for you to adjust this into different positions to match the shape of the roof line. And when you have it where it should be, then you can tighten that. The tool will click, and that indicates that you've reached the correct tightness. Okay, we can close that cover. Now there's 2 other adjustments. This adjustment will bring the metal clip inward against the door frame, and that metal clip, it has rubber, and that rubber will protect and grip to the door frame. Now on the underside of this hatch is another fastener, and that fastener will bring the clip inward against the door frame. Now with those adjustments made, you would put the cover back into place, and here you see we have a plastic plug, and that plastic plug can be removed and a Yakima SKS lock core can take its place to provide an effective theft deterrent. These lock cores are sold in matched sets so that you can have all 4 of your tower covers locked using the same key number. And that can be extended into other Yakima SKS compatible accessories and carriers. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Yakima BaseLine roof rack system. This product, along with the full line of Yakima products, are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular system, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.